Welcome back. The Indian Postal Network is the largest in the world. The Postal Network of India is the largest network in the world. It handles parcels as well as personal written communication. So all the written communication like parcels, cards, letters, speed post, first class mails, they all are handled by Indian Postal Network. Cards and envelopes are considered first class mail and are airlifted between stations. Cards and envelopes, these are considered first class mail, and that's why they are transported airlifted between different stations, covering both land and air. And the second class mail include packets of books, registered newspapers and periodicals. They are carried by surface mail covering land and water transport. So these second class mails, they are carried by surface mail, and they cover land and water transport. Through land and water transport, registered newspaper, books, packets, they are transported from one area to another. To facilitate quick delivery of mails in large towns and cities, 6 mail channels have been introduced recently. To facilitate the quick delivery of these mails in large towns and cities, because large towns and cities, they are very big in areas. So 6 new mail channels have been introduced by the government recently, and they are called Rajdhani Channel, Metro Channel, Green Channel, Business Channel, Bulk Mail Channel and Periodical Channel. These are the names of 6 channels which was started by Government of India in Indian Postal Network. Do you know, in comparison with the other countries, India has about 37,565 telephone exchange spread all over the country. If we compare telephone exchange of India with other countries, in India we have 37,565 telephone exchange. India has one of the largest telecom network in Asia. In all Asia, India has one of the largest telecom networks, including urban places. More than 2/3 of the villages in India have already been covered with subscriber trunk dialing (STD) telephone facilities. Earlier, STDs were not available in villages, but now STD facilities are provided everywhere in order to strengthen the flow of information from the grassroots to the higher level, so that the flow of information can be more stronger from root to higher level. So the government has made special provision to extend 24-hour STD facilities to every village in the country. Now in every village, STD facility is provided 24 hours. Anytime we can make STD calls. Earlier it was not available.